So in this video, we're going to be looking at how you can go about performing an automated search in your table. So for this one, what we are doing is we're using this paper. This is the October-November 2025 paper 2, and we are looking at number 3, rather task 3, number 20, because that's the question that I could find that required us to perform an automated search, as it were. So it says here that we should perform in the rest table. The rest table is part of the CSV files that came with this paper, and I've already imported all the 3 CSV files as tables into our database. And let me just go ahead and close out of this. So these are the tables, and these you can ignore. These are the parts right here. They are for the other parts of the question or other parts of the task, as it were. So you're just going to focus on the rest table because that's the one that we are supposed to be searching for, or rather searching in. So in the rest table, we use an automated search function to locate the record with the entry number of 1498. So we want to search for the entry number 1498 inside of our table. So what we need to do is we need to double click on our table and make sure that it's open. Then there's actually the best way that you can actually go about this. Since you are searching for something that is specific, like 1498 inside of the entry number field, you can actually just come to the entry number field and make sure that it is active. Then the next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you use a filter. So you're just going to left click on the drop down arrow there. Then you want to go, it says number filters. And since we are searching for something specific, not in a range, as it were, we just want 1498. So we select equals because we want the exact value of 1498. So we are going to click on there. So the entry number is said it's supposed to be 1498. So you enter 1498 and you hit OK. And immediately you see that we have that record that is an entry number of 1488. Then what you need to do is, let's see from the question here, we need to place in our evidence document a screenshot showing the automated search function that we used to locate this record. So what we need to do is we need to come back to filters, number filters, click on equals. So this is a custom filter that we used to search for this particular record. So you want to make sure that when you paste this inside of your evidence document, it's also included. So maybe let me just collapse this left pane here. Come back to the filters and the equals. So what you want to do is you want to take a screenshot of your part of your record and also this custom filter window. Make sure that it's included when you paste it inside of the evidence document, because that is what you actually use to find this record. So you'd go ahead and paste that inside of the evidence document. So that's how you can perform an automated search in a particular field that is for a particular value, as it were. So having done that, the next part of the question required us to amend the details for age cat, age category, year of birth, age, and gender result. So what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to replace the values that are currently in there with the ones that are given right here. So you would go ahead in age cat and change that to FSE 39. So you'd make that 39. Then for the year of birth, you change that to 1992. So let's just double click and have 1992. Then for the age, is now supposed to be 33. So we make that 33. And then for the gender result, we're just changing that to 137. So since you've made changes, you just want to make sure that you save the file or the table, as it were, and you'll be done with this part of the question. Yeah, so yeah, that's just about it for this video. That's how you can go about to perform an automated search in your table. So I'll see you guys in the next one.